And keep in mind your final colorations, they can range from the natural earth tone colors, colored glass, black marbles, black marble with broken mirrors, solid whites, and then the high-end stuff is pull me back into contracting, the real coppers and bronze, and then oxidize it afterwards. For those that want to go to the 100 a day, we'll show you how to do it with a 3-man crew and then just using a homemade shotcrete sprayer. Here we are with Don Hansen. You took the carpentry class. Just want to ask you feel like you got your money out of it?
Absolutely. It's worth every penny of it.
We did this section of this building in less than 15 minutes. So, I mean, that should give you a real good idea. That was 200 square feet.
So do you think it was kind of a slow process, or?
You know, it was wicked fast. It was a great process. I was really skeptical. In fact, that's one of the reasons I came down. I thought, I'll wait, do the video. But no, I got to test it firsthand. And I wanted to be a part of it coming out the door, and I'm really glad I came down for that. That was an excellent idea.
So you think other people on the fence out there, you think they'll make money with this?
Thinking of losing out if they don't become a part of it.